Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I finally got my Tonic Studios. I think this was for February, called Country Apron. I believe it would be numbered 52. I know that for the February craft kits they were on a little bit of a shipping delay. Not sure if the same is true for March, but in any case, I've already skipped March, so that gives me plenty of time to craft with this box. And there are a lot of goodies in this month's kit, or February's kit. Lots of Nouveau products. I have this glitter accents full-size bottle in winter cranberry. That's a really nice color. And glitter accents, as the name would suggest, it's just crammed full of glittery goodness. So these are, I don't have this in too many colors, so it is kind of nice to get another one. And this is really pretty. I don't know if any of these colors are new or exclusive to the kit. Let me check the, usually this will say if it's exclusive or not, but I'm not seeing it on here either. So this is a Dream Drop. I do not have this color. It's called Lemon Twist. Looks beautiful. And I love Dream Drops. I have a few of them now because I like them so much. They sort of have that iridescent aspect to them. This one I haven't opened because I actually have this. So this one I'll set aside for a future giveaway. It's a shimmer powder. I love their shimmer powders, and I don't know if they have released new ones yet. I don't think I have all of the colors, but I have quite a few of them, just about all. This one is in Catherine Wheel, and you can kind of see from the outside anyways. Now once these shimmer powders, once they're on the paper and water hits them and activates all that pigment, you'll get different colors kind of burst forward. But if you just compare on the outside, these are so well coordinated. So there's that. And I thought this was really cool. This is a chalk mousse. I think this is part of maybe the second wave of colors that they release. It's called Delicate Blue. And this is a sample pot size, which is, I think, plenty for me. I did buy the first set of chalk mousse when they released, and also I have the exclusive color that they released as part of a craft kit too. So so that's pretty cool to get. What else do we have? So we have this also, a glitter marker in the color Fired Brick. Again, really well coordinated with all the reds in the kit this month. Now I don't know if this is a color I already have, so I'll have to double check on that, but I love that. And then it looks like there's a new shape bottle, and I think it's more than what we used to get quantity wise, or at least by weight. This is 50 ml. I thought we used to get the older bottles were 30 ml, but I'm not 100% on that. But this one's called Prism Pink, and it's sequins in different sizes, which is kind of nice. So that's, and I think there's a little bit of an AB, like an Aurora Borealis finish to it too, because when I tilt it and shift it, I can see that there are different colors being reflected. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's awesome. We also get ribbon, double satin. I guess that means it's double-sided, so it'll have that really nice satin finish on both sides in chili red, and this is 1/8 inch. So this is a thinner ribbon, as you can see there, and it's 16.4 feet. So quite a lot on this on a spool of this. So those are our Nouveau products. Then getting into the Craft Perfect, we have a lot this month. I feel like we're getting more and more paper every month, which is fantastic. So this is a smooth card 300 GSM in ivory white. because it's really nice. Just kind of an off-white, cream color almost. Then we have classic card in cornflower blue. Classic card in coral pink. And these are textured, so it's textured on one side and smooth on the other. I would say maybe about 80-pound cover weight. I don't know for certain though. This is classic card in cherry red. That's really pretty. Ooh, this is really pretty too. This is mirror card in scarlet organza, but it's sort of a satin mirror. It's not sort of their high gloss mirror finish, which I really like. I think that's gorgeous. Then we have pearlescent card in ivory sheen. It says ivory, but I feel like it's got flecks of gold too. It almost looks like kind of a very light gold. And then we've got pearlescent card in princess pink. We have, well, this says it's specialty card, but this is specialty paper. It's their handmade cotton paper in pink petal, which we've gotten this in past kits before. It's gorgeous. I love working with that. This one I recognize too. I've seen this in past kits as well. This one's specialty card in powder blue lace. Not done yet. There's also a sheet of glitter card in gold dust. That's really pretty. And it seems like we're getting pattern paper as a rule now, which is kind of cool. So this is the Country Apron pattern paper. They're both the same, but it is double-sided, and I would say in terms of paper weight, let's see, it's lighter than the textured classic card, so maybe 60-pound if I had to guess. So double-sided, so you have a polka dot print on one side, and then you've got the nice kind of a little ditty floral. Yeah, I guess it's sort of directional, because I feel like you would want these flowers pointed up, but maybe you can turn it any direction. So there's that. So really, really pretty papers, and lots of them too. So let's see. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 sheets of paper. So I feel like that's a lot more than what we normally get. And then of course we do have the binder that we were supposed to get in January. So that did come this month. And then we've got our wallet here with the stamp and dies. So this is, let me grab, so here's the stamp set. And since it's called Country Apron and it has that sort of theme of sort of the kitchen and cooking, lots of sentiments are kind of in that vein. So baked with love, grandma's kitchen, from the kitchen of, which is kind of cute. So if you like to make handmade treats and give them away as presents, that's kind of something nice to maybe stamp on a tag, for example. But then there are general sentiments too, like Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, Your Special Day, thanks a bunch. This one looks like it's more garden themed, so from the garden of, which I guess your apron could be any kind of apron really, so it doesn't necessarily have to be a kitchen apron. It could be a workshop, like a tool shop apron. It could be a gardening apron. So, and I'm guessing the shape of this probably coordinates so that you can stamp it onto something specific from the die set, so let's take a look at that. Yeah, kind of looks like it'll fit in there. Not really that one. And it'll definitely fit on the apron, so kind of cute. Okay, so here's the main die set. There's this outline, 2 outline dies of the apron shape, and this one looks smaller, so I think this just gives you some matte and layer options. So this one's going to be the main one that you will cut your base from, whether it's the box that you want to assemble or a tag that you want to make or a shaped card. So that's the main apron shape. And then we have lots of options for mats and layers. So there's the straight cut here with a verso die that will cut out this diagonal stripe pattern. And then there's this scalloped edge as well, and it's even got some debossing detail, like the little dots on the outside, so that's really pretty cool. And so you can cut that, into this card if you wanted, or cut it out of a different color and then layer it on top. And then you have some options for pockets on your apron as well. So there's this larger scalloped shaped pocket with its own matte layer. And then there's the smaller, more squarish, I guess, pocket with the rounded bottom. And it has a matte layer as well. Or it could just be a smaller pocket. So you can either kind of layer these up as mats and layers to decorate with, or just use the smaller die as a smaller pocket if you wanted a smaller pocket. Or, for example, especially with this one, if you wanted to maybe have 2 pockets side by side, but the large one might be too big, you can always use the smaller one and put 2 of them. So that's always an option too. And then we have some flowers. There's 2 flowers, it looks like, and they each have 2 dies. So kind of looks like this does have an outside cutting edge, and it does cut out the petals as well. And same with this one. So it does have an outside cutting edge and sort of like a border around the petals. And so you would probably layer, these 2 on top of each other. And then we have some florals, some really kind of small little flowers, some foliage, and some hearts here. And then we get into this piece here, which if you want to assemble this as a box, this is going to be sort of the sides of the front and the side of your box. So you would just need, I guess, 2 of those. And then here's the apron string. So there are the holes at the top of the apron, so that's where you would kind of attach this, or you could just use twine to lace through there too. And I'm guessing that's why they gave us the thinner ribbon, because it's only 1/8 inch wide. It can fit through that hole. So that was really well thought out. And then we also get a lot of accessories and tools and things that you can maybe put into the pockets of your apron. So we have oven mitts here, and you've got the left and the right hand. Then, as I was mentioning when I saw the stamp sentiments, you've got a selection of tools, like a screwdriver, hammer, etc., scissors, and then some gardening tools. So you've got the like a trowel and spade, and then we have some kitchen tools, spatulas of different types, a rolling pin, some grilling tools. So great for Father's Day, which there was a sentiment for. Happy Father's Day. So if you want to do sort of a barbecue apron, you can do that and stuff it with some tongs and the grilling fork and spatula and stuff. So so lots of different interpretations of the apron, and super cute ways of decorating it with the different pocket options. And these are really, at the end of the day, just really great shapes too. This nice half circle. So very general purpose. You could probably use that in a lot of different ways. And just as topper elements that you can kind of stamp sentiments onto. Just something a little bit different. And there's even this set here with the matte layer for your the side of your box, which has the stitched border, straight cut edge, and a matching diagonal stripe verso die to cut into. So really cute. That's pretty fun. I'm looking forward to crafting with this one, and so when I do, I will be certain to link to that video at the end of this one. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.